everyone, another year is here, and can you believe it? It's Valentine's Day coming up. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's date night, untraditional Valentine's tablescape for you. So I hope that you will like it. For those of you tuning in for the first time, hi, welcome. I'm Carol. And for those folks that are here with me every single time I do a tablescape, welcome back and thank you for stopping by once again to view my videos. So as you can see, I'm starting out with a black tablecloth. Okay, and my colors are red, black, and we'll see what it looks like. So this is my charger plate that I got from Tablecloth Factories. So we're starting with those. The next item on the agenda are these lovely, and they're by Gibson, this set, and we're using those are our plates. Excuse the noise, they're a little heavy. Then we have our plates, and these are by Carole, and I got these at Salvation Army, and they were $1.99 each. Excuse my noise making. Now I'm going to use some red napkins that I've had for a long time. I think I got these from Pier 1 a long time ago. So I'm just going to tuck them under the plate. And all I did was fold those in 3. I'm setting my place setting for 4 because I figured we would invite some friends out to hang out with us for Valentine's celebration. Now these bowls came from Amazon. Like I said, this is an untraditional Valentine's date night. So we're going to have some tea. And as you can see, looks like we're having dinner out at an Oriental restaurant. So, since we're doing Oriental restaurant, you can have Oriental restaurant without your Oriental chopsticks. And this set came with the bowls from Amazon. And we have our little holder, which holds your chopsticks. And then we have our soup spoon. Our soup spoon. And here we have our teapot for our tea. And here we have our tea holder. For Valentine's. It'll bring you in a little closer. Thank you for watching.